Ready to unlock the secrets of your website's performance? First, head over to Google Tag Manager and open your container. Think of your container as your website's digital command center. Next, click on Tags in the left-hand navigation. This is where we'll build our conversion tracker. Now, tap that big blue New button to create a brand new tag. You'll see a tag configuration section. Here's where the magic happens. Select the service you want to track. Common choices include Google Analytics or Google Ads conversion tracking, depending on your marketing goals. For this video, we are setting up Google Ads tracking. Once you've selected your service, you'll need to fill in some important details. You'll need your conversion ID and conversion label. This data comes from your Google Ads account. Make sure to copy and paste these values correctly. Next, move on to triggering section. This is the real decision maker, telling Tag Manager when to fire the conversion tag. Common conversion events include form submissions, purchase confirmation pages, or any other action you want to measure. Select the right trigger that matches the event. If, for instance, you want to track a form submission, choose a trigger specifically designed for form activity. For a thank you page, select Page View. If you're tracking a certain page after a completed order, use the Page View trigger and indicate your conversion page URL. Specify page URL and use equals the specific URL of your conversion page. After you've defined your tag and trigger, give your tag a descriptive name to save. Then, save the configuration. Before the conversion process is completed, you should click Submit in the top right to make your changes live. To test your tag, use the Preview option. Navigate through your site and complete the trigger action to verify your tag fires as desired. Congratulations! You've set up your conversion tag. Track your website's performance and learn what delights your customers. For higher marketing ROI, good luck, and start tracking those conversions.